Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Kinder Beauty box unboxing for the month of March 2021. So let's go ahead and dig in. So they are still doing the thing where they send you a flyer to tell you that they're not sending you a flyer anymore, which I think makes zero sense, but since that's what they're doing, I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone and log on to this website so we can have the description of each of these products. So there were two box options this month. I got the Glow Big box. So I'm going to pull the items out of here in the order that they're listed on the website for the sake of my own sanity, so I don't have to keep scrolling up and down. So the first item on here is from East 29th, and this is their Vital Serum. It says that this retails for $67, which is insane. Kinder Beauties have asked for a serum that does it all, and with this serum, they've hit the jackpot. This serum delivers hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, lemon rind extract, so I know I'm going to hate it already because there's lemon rind extract in it. Although, maybe I should do some more research on that, but it makes me nervous that it's a citrus. And vitamin C and E. It's a true powerhouse serum that improves your skin's overall texture, improves hydration, and evens out skin tone while also smoothing out wrinkles and promoting elasticity. For best use, massage a few drops into your skin after cleansing and toning, but before moisturizing in both your AM and PM skincare routines. Pro tip: you may also use this to improve the skin on your neck, chest, hands, and any area that needs a little love. So, the citrus extract makes me nervous. Let's see if there are ingredients listed on the side over here. Yeah. Lemon peel extract. I'm gonna have to look up how bad that might be if it's in an extract form versus in straight oil, because I know citrus oils are bad for you. Perhaps the extracts are okay. We'll see. And then orange fruit extract, citrus, lemon fruit extract, grapefruit seed extract. That's not terrible. So it's a lot of extracts. So I need to do a little research on whether these citrus extracts are all that dangerous. This might be an okay product, but it's pending, I guess we could say. This one's teetering the line of maybe it's good, maybe it's not. So we'll have to see. Okay, because I couldn't bother to wait, I did go on to the Paula's Choice ingredient library, and though there were not exact matches for the extract that are listed on here, every citrus extract is pretty much frowned upon. So not too happy about that. I really do wish that these boxes would invest in things that were not sensitizing, but what are you gonna do? Next item we have, and I have to pull it back up because I was playing on another website. So the next item we have is from 103 Collection. It is the Antioxidant Facial Moisturizer, which retails for a value of $10.99. It says this gender-neutral, lightweight botanical moisturizer just happens to be one of Daniela's favorite finds this year. Might it be one of yours as well? This moisturizer by 103 Collection is made with cold-pressed plant oils packed with antioxidants that help hydrate your skin and minimize signs of aging. So here's what that looks like. And the word botanical is making me nervous again because I feel like it's going to have something super sensitizing in here, something fragrant. So let me read through this list. See. Yeah. Citrus oratifolia peel water. So lime water. That's not great, and that's actually really high on the list. So that's not very cool. This is written really small, so I apologize for taking forever to look at this, but it's so tiny. Lime essential oil. Yeah, I'm not using this. yeah, orange oil. Maybe it's the theme this month. Citrus oils, which is a shitty theme, to be completely honest, but yeah, 2 for 2 on things that have fragrant oils in them, so I'm not using them. I mentioned in my vegan cuts video, which I'm filming the same day, but you will probably see before this, that I spend all this money on good skincare. Why am I going to take these things with these terrible oils and put them on my face? I really do wish that these companies that send out boxes would collaborate with companies that actually have good skincare and not just companies that are just vegan. So I digress. Let us continue. The next item is from DermaE, and you'll see there's kind of a dust on a lot of these things. That is one of the other products, I think, that just has a little bit of a itty bitty explosion, but we'll get to that. It's the DermaE Microdermabrasion Scrub Deluxe Sample, which is a value of $5. Facials are much harder to reserve during the times of COVID. That's a very weird way to write that sentence. But with this scrub, you can bring the facial to you at home. This award-winning salon treatment alternative helps buff the skin to diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and acne scars. It's formulated with Dead Sea salt, and fine texturized crystals are gentle enough to use twice a week to get maximum effect. For proper use, massage gently into skin, wet skin after cleansing, and toning. So, since it's a scrub, it's only going to be on your skin for a short period of time. And because of that, I'm less concerned about the fragrant ingredients that it may or may not have. But let's open it up. It definitely has some sort of citrus in it. That must be the theme for this box or something. Citrus. And the grit is actually very fine, which is nice. I have been tending to not purchase these type of things myself anymore. I do have, I think, one Pacifica scrub left, and then any other facial scrubs I have were through boxes. But I will say this one does seem like it has a really nice gentle grit. I got one last month, or maybe it was earlier this month. No, maybe it was February, in one of my boxes from Gold Found MD, and the grit on that was heavy. It was severe. I think it might be in my MDs this upcoming month. But yeah, I'm not terribly mad at this, even though it's a $5 value compared to these, which are much more substantial. So right now, however much is this box, like 35 or something? I'm making that up. I really don't remember how much this box is. That is terrible. But right now I'm only getting $5 of pleasure out of it so far. So next item, let's stop rambling. The next item is from J&L Naturals, and this is the Hydrate Face Mask, which is a $19.99 value. Of this product, it says J&L's Hydrate Face I can't talk. J&L's Hydrate Face Mask is as clean as it gets, starting with its 4-ingredient formula and ending with its compostable packaging. Its mineral-rich kaolin, I can never say that word right, kaolin, and Dead Sea clays help draw out toxins and balance oil production, while the green tea and oatmeal powders soothe your skin. Simply mix a scoop of the mask powder with water and have your face mask in seconds. So I already opened this when the box came because it seemed that this product was the one that was getting dust and stuff all over the box. So, I mean, as you can tell from the description, it is a powder. It comes in a powder form, and it is in this compostable package. There's 4 simple ingredients I love. This is something I'll actually use, and it is a powder. I'm not gonna fuss with that too much. Did you see that cloud? Because it is very messy, but it comes with this cute little spoon. I love that. So I'm excited about this product. I do wish it was packaged a little more appropriately so that it wasn't getting clay dust all over the box, but what are you gonna do? Oh well. And then the last product, because we got 5 this month, which is very, very pleasing, is from Glow Big Laritzy. Okay, interesting name. It is their Luxe powder in Warm Peach, and it is a $32 value. So that's nice. As long as the color is great, I will have gotten my value. So these Luxe powders are baked and buildable. They diffuse into your skin instead of sitting on top of your makeup, giving your complexion a flawless finish. Apply 1 layer for a slightly glowy look, or build it up for a blinding highlight. So let's get it out of this packaging. Take a look at it. Here is what it looks like out of the packaging. And I can tell you already, it's a little loose. The compact itself is a little bit loose feeling. Here is what it looks like. It looks really pretty. Let me go ahead and swatch that for you guys. Oh, that's very pretty. And I have to say, it's peachy, but it's not too intimidating. Whereas, I think it was it a K-Boss highlighter I got months ago in a Petite Four box that was so golden that I couldn't use it. It was just way too dark on my skin. And now this one, I think I could actually get away with in summer. That's really pretty. I don't know if it's picking up just how peachy it is. It's so peachy. Yeah, that's so pretty. Yes, I really like that. So 3 out of 5 items I think is just okay, personally. Wipe my finger off. Yeah, I think that's just okay. This is not impressive by any means, and while it's better than this month's Vegan Cuts box in my opinion, I still am not wowed by this. So these boxes, in my opinion, need to step their game up. I may need to take a break from some of them, although there aren't really many other vegan boxes to subscribe to, so I wouldn't really have anything to share on the channel. But I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I probably won't, but I am thinking about it, especially the Vegan Cuts one, because that one has kind of disappointed me a couple of months now. But this one, just okay. So like I was saying, I like the highlighter. I'm okay with the DermaE scrub, and I'm quite interested in the face mask. These 2 products, the serum and the moisturizer, that both have citrus ingredients in them, I'm really not all that jazzed about, and I'm going to give them away. So, or I don't know, I might keep the moisturizer for my body. We'll see. But the serum, I'm probably just going to give away because I don't see myself using that. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below, and you can hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while. Do you get the Kinder Beauty box? Did you get the Glow Bake box, or did you get the other one? I'm actually really glad I didn't get the other one, because the other one had an ingredient in it, or had a product in it, a serum, that came in the February Vegan Cuts box that I'm also not impressed with. So I'm glad I didn't end up with 2 of those, even though I ended up with other stuff I'm not really impressed with. So yeah, it's just an okay box this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like usual, I will link to Kinder Beauty. I will link to anything I'm wearing if I can find it. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.